So a couple of points regarding Shopify accounting. So for those of you who are selling at Shopify, first of all, it's worth keeping in mind that the platform fee has deductions, and the revenue that you're seeing in your reports does not equal the revenue that is going to be deposited into your bank account, meaning you have your gross sales, then you have all of your fees, then you have your net sales. So that's just the first general point, which kind of goes without saying, but is worth saying. Number two is there is a difference between various payment processors such as PayPal versus Klarna and others that will give you payouts differently. Sometimes it requires you actually hitting the payout button and sometimes not, so it's worth being aware of that. Point number three is misclassifying discounts and gift cards. Some gift cards from an accounting perspective are not actually revenue, they're actually a liability that you have to fulfill and is a liability until you either write it off or fulfill that gift card obligations. One other point is chargebacks and disputes that can influence your P&L. If it's on a refund and return, it will generally be taken out of your top line. It would influence your net sales. And if it's an actual classic chargeback or dispute, it would generally be in your operating expenses. But both of those are definitely worth taking into account, and a lot of times people miss them when looking at their Shopify. And one last point is sales tax, that there are other platforms such as Amazon who are generally considered to be marketplace facilitators and will be taking care of your sales tax on your behalf. You might still have registration requirements in certain states. When you're selling on Shopify, it's your own obligation and liability to deal with your own sales tax. So there's just a couple of points about Shopify and accounting.